Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we are diving into a clean brand called Merit. You guys may have heard of them. They are new at Sephora. They've been around, I guess, for maybe like a year-ish now. Not really sure. They're so kind to send me products to try out. This is not a paid review. Everything is my honest thoughts. They just sent me product for free. I like to be clear on that with you guys. So I'm testing everything out. I really was excited to try this. I've gotten requests from you guys to do more clean brands, and everything is on sale for the Sephora VIB sale, so that is a plus. If you see anything you like, you can pick it up at a discount, and I'm really excited. I'm sharing with you guys this look, which is definitely just more like an everyday. I'm not even wearing any eyeshadow, and it's just kind of like myself but better. So let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap the little bell so you do not miss out on my videos. It gives you like a little notification on your phone when I upload. And let's get on into it, you guys. Let's test out Merit Beauty and also see how I got this super pretty like everyday look. Okay, so let's dive into the Merit package here. I have lots of fun things to test out with you guys, and this is a clean at Sephora brand. This perfecting complexion stick called the Minimalist, and they have very simple packaging, which I like. And I will link everything for you guys down below. Testing out clean beauty brands, and I also was getting requests from you guys to test out more clean beauty brands, so I wanted to do that. This shade is Suede, which I'm actually thinking I should have got one deeper shade from them to use for bronzer. I'm kind of regretting that right now. Why didn't I do that? Definitely deeper than I am, but I do have another one I'll show you guys. The other shade I have that I can mix with is Sand, and I believe this one's lighter. Mix those two, but first I'm gonna prep my face. I go in with the Merit sticks. I like to kind of spritz my face with a spray because they're a little bit more on the drier side. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a couple strikes. It's early, you guys. This is the earliest I've ever filmed a video. A couple stripes of the shades, and I do like to blend this out with a brush. And it does blend really easily into the skin. I don't really have any issues blending it out, which is nice. This is definitely going to be something that's not going to give you a ton of coverage. It's more if you want something just for every day. It's also good for oh, you guys, I'm a mess today. I just tried to blend out my foundation with the other side of the foundation stick, okay? I told you this is the earliest I ever filmed, so if I sound a little sleepy, that's why. I'm trying to keep my energy super, super high for you guys, so pardon me. These would be amazing for contouring, like I was saying before. I would say this gives more of a matte finish to the skin. I feel so good knowing when I'm applying this that it is a clean brand, and there's nothing in here that's bad for my skin. This foundation, it definitely takes a little bit more effort for me to blend out. It's not terrible, but it's not something that you can just kind of swipe on and go super quickly. I feel like I have to really kind of take the time to blend it into the skin. The finish of it, I like that it's more matte. It's not my favorite foundation though. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I always keep it real with you. It says it's not a foundation or concealer, it's both. Use it where you need it so you get compliments on your skin, not your makeup. So I like the idea behind it. It's not supposed to be anything heavy or cakey. Me personally, I'm just more of a liquid foundation kind of girl. That's really all there is to it. So I did go ahead and put concealer under my eyes, and I did set it, although I'm kind of regretting setting it because I have other cream products I have to use, so that might have been a rookie mistake. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyes off camera because I don't have any eye products from them except mascara, which I will show you guys because I really like their mascara. It's really nice. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put on some eyeliner, and then we will do mascara. Okay guys, next up I have mascara. So this is the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. They did send me one again. I already have one, so I'm gonna end up putting this one in a giveaway for you guys. So I love the packaging, very sleek, pretty gold top, and it is a natural hair bristle brush. I curl my lashes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I love these tubing mascaras because They are so easy to remove. This one actually gives really decent volume to my lashes. This would probably be like my everyday voluminous mascara. I would think something that's just like super sleek and more like minimal wouldn't really give you much. It would probably be more simple of like a formula. But I really like this mascara. I feel like it builds my lashes really nicely, and again, I feel like I've broken a record, but I love that it's clean. This mascara is on my lashes. So here's no mascara. Here's mascara. Mascara on both eyes, and I think it came out really nice. I just love it. I feel like my lashes look so full. There's no clumps or anything like that, and they look super voluminous. If you guys have never heard of tubing mascaras before, basically at night when you wash off your face with water, it literally just comes off in little tubes. It's so weird. They look like little spider legs, and it's actually really fun and like kind of like ASMR, I guess. I don't know how you would call it. Like, it's kind of just like a fun experience. Okay, next up I have the Merit. This is their highlighter stick, highlighting balm in the shade Kava. That was my first grade teacher's last name. That's what I think of. So it's like a really pretty pearly finish. Giz! I don't know if you guys can hear Gizzy's crying in the background. It's really sad. He's actually on top of the kitchen cabinet. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this to the high points of my cheek. And I'm just applying it directly from the tube, but I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. It gives a really pretty glow, but it's still natural. You could also put this like right here. I'm going to put some on my chin, a little on my forehead, just because I feel like I am more matte today. And I believe by the time I get this video up, everything will be on sale for VIB, which is amazing. Definitely gives a beautiful dewy finish to the skin without being too like bright and in your face. I have two shades of their Flush Bomb cheek color. These are cream cheek colors. Gosh, look at this. That is beautiful. It's like a berry. This one is called Mood. I think this one's even deeper. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's intense. My IT Cosmetics brush, I'm just going to blend it out on the back of my hand first, and then I'm going to go in. And I like to blend upwards on my cheekbone to lift everything. That is my new favorite. Well, I've been doing it for a while now, but I love it. It's really pretty. It's like a sheer wash of color, kind of like a tint. I mean, these are called balm, so that makes sense. But if you sheer it out on your hand and with a brush, it looks really natural. I usually wear more like a peachy tone or like a baby pink or like a bronzy tone, but this is, I like this. I feel like it's really waking me up, which we know I need today because I'm half asleep, you guys. I usually film at like 4 p.m. and it's like 7:30. Love. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel so awake. Volumizing Pomade. I think it's called like Brows 1980 or something. It's beautiful packaging again, gold tube. This is in the shade brown, and you use this on top of your eyebrows. So for me, I can't use these like just go wild and add them to my brows when my brows have nothing in them. I have to do my brows first. So I'm going to fill my brows and then come back and we will play with this. So I went ahead and added mascara to my bottom lashes as well, and I did my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and add the Brows 1980 pomade. Oh, I opened the wrong side. It's a really tiny little brush. And I'm just going to brush this through. I'm kind of just going to brush my brows up because I like that. I mean, it doesn't always stay on me because I have such thick brows. My brows tend to fall down and kind of like, you know, do their own thing, but a little bit of pushing up. I really like this. I like that it's a very light kind of formula, and I feel like when these brow gels are very like too thick and goopy, like it's way too much, and I feel like it's overwhelming. So I like that this one is a lot lighter and it's not like way too much pigment. So definitely a fan of this. Makes my brows look really pretty and put together. Now the piece de resistance, the whole like star of this video, Merit Signature Lip Lightweight Lipsticks. I have two shades. I have Slip and Millennial. I was so sad because there was a light pink shade that I wanted so bad, but it was sold out. so I couldn't get it. You guys know I gotta add lip liner, so we're gonna throw that in here somewhere, but let me show you how cool this packaging is, okay? It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So this is Slip, and this is like a brown nude. It's giving me 90s vibes. This one kind of reminds me of Charlotte's, I always want to say Charlotte Pillsbury, her lip. What is it called? Oh, Pillow Talk. It looks like Pillow Talk. So I'm just going to go and line my lips first with Makeup by Mario Travis, which is my favorite lip liner. Make your lips look full, like it's lip filler who, okay? I don't need no lip filler. Okay, so next I have to pick a shade. I think I'll probably do Millennial, and it's the perfect combo with Travis. Travis like goes so well with everything. I like that it's not matte, honestly. It's like a classic lip formula. Yeah, I like it. It's really nice. I love this color too. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Really pretty. You guys, this is literally one of my favorite products. I just went through a whole tube. The Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. So I had to get another one because I'm obsessed. This is in the shade Bel Air, which is like a really beautiful clear with gold sparkle in it. It is so pretty. I wear this all the time. I just wear it by itself most of the time, but today I'm gonna layer it over for a little bit of shine. But honestly, this is like my everyday lip. I'm just putting it like on the center, just dotting it on. You guys, this is so good. It's very moisturizing. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. If I go through a whole tube of something in like a couple weeks, then you know it's good, because that means I truly loved it. And I just finished off with some of my Avon Magic Wands for contour, because I feel like I definitely needed more like bronzing on my face. Perfect. Like honestly, it's just clean. Like I don't even have any eyeshadow on. This is just like an everyday go-to look that I feel is like me but better. And I feel like that's what the brand is really all about. It's just like making your natural features come out and look like you, except like better, basically. I really loved everything that I tried today. The lip was so pretty. I also love their brow gel. So nice and just like lightweight, really easy to use, and gives a little bit of color but also has hold at the same time. The foundation, I would say, is not my favorite, like I was telling you guys before. What I like about it though is that it makes my skin look natural, and it's not like overly matte, it's not overly dewy, which I don't like. I feel like it's just there to enhance your skin, like the name says. Like it's just kind of like a skin enhancer, and I like that concept. I'm just always gravitating more towards a liquid, but I like trying something different. And I feel like also foundations are subjective. Like you might like something that I don't like, so I feel so light, like I'm not wearing anything heavy. So my thoughts on the foundation, I do like it. The blush in Cheeky, I think these are so pretty, and I really like applying it with a brush. I feel like it just looks like a natural flush to my cheeks. I like it a lot. I really like the formula on these. Mascara, the Clean Lash, I think is so nice. I love the volume it gives my lashes, and it's just so pretty. I love the tubing effect, so this is definitely a favorite. And of course, my favorite lip oil in Bel Air is like a must-have. So I love this brand. I'm a big fan. I'm so glad that I was able to test it. So thank you, Merit, for letting me try your products. So kind, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys, so you can kind of see if maybe there's something you're interested in. Or you can go to Sephora and check out their brand, and I just love that they're a clean brand, no icky stuff. I love the clean products that have been coming out, and I'm excited to see what else Merit comes out with as the years go on, and see how the brand does. And so far, I really love everything I used. Oh, I forgot this. Highlighter is so pretty. I love this. I will definitely be continuing to use that. It's very natural, and I just feel like it made my skin look like, gave something back to my skin after I had more of the matte foundation. I feel like it just gave a little bit of glow. That is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my review on Merit products and their signature lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!